season 11.
I know. We're gonna be season 11.
Season 11.
Season 11.
Happy talk, keep talking, happy talk.
She, in a past life, was Toto. She is Toto reincarnated.
I buy my own lipstick because my wife won't let me use hers because my beard messes it up.
Skin-tight pants are good too, but not every man can wear skin-tight pants,
No,
right?
not every man.
You have an apartment? Talk, keep talking,
Well, what's the income?
I love your hair.
Oh, well, let's not do that.
Oh, sorry.
You see Uncle Winfrey, she said that she eat bread every day. She don't eat no bread every day. They pay her to say that she
What
eat
do you do
bread.
in the daytime? Watch TV? No? Everything what you doing? Are you ready to go to school?
Happy talk.
Go ahead and introduce yourself. Where are you from? What's your act? Excited to be here? Thank you very much. Good luck tonight.
Oh, he looks creepy.
Good evening. Welcome to America's Got Talent.
I'm a little afraid now. I don't know what's gonna happen.
Yeah.
And you are you. What do you have a name? You're taped. You're taped. What are you going to be doing? You don't know.
So, what is this?
Maybe will we talk after?
Maybe.
Okay, I love a mystery. Go ahead and do what it is you do.
There's only you in my life, the only thing that's right.
Silly.
My first love. Your every breath that I take. Your every step I make.
And I want to share all my love with you. No one else will do.
And your
eyes, they tell me how much you care. Oh, yes, you will always be my endless love.
Never seen you looking so lovely as you did tonight. I've never seen you shine so
Brilliant.
Never seen so many men ask you if you wanted to dance. Looking for a little romance. Given half a chance. I have never seen that
Wow.
I like the fact that we don't know who you are, anything about you or what you're going to do. It was like simple but clever, unique, funny, brilliant.
Heidi.
At first, I thought you were so creepy. But then I really, truly loved it.
Mel?
Who's going to go home tonight and try that lady in red thing? Right? I know I am. That was just genius.
I agree. And I think your life has changed tonight. And by this time tomorrow, everyone in America, no one in America is going to know your name. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Yes!
You forgot your bra.
You forgot your bra.
Your bra.